Here's how to go live on Instagram and even add a guest. Once you're in your Instagram account, the easiest way to start the Instagram Live is first to go into the bottom right-hand corner and tap on your profile icon. In the top right, you'll click the plus button and then Live at the bottom. Once you're here, it's pretty simple. There's a place where you're going to add a title. Just going to put test, hit done, and then I'm going to hit the go live icon on the bottom, which is that little circle thing. Once we're live, we'll be able to, in the top left-hand corner, you see where it says test. Yours will be the title name there, but you can actually look there to see as people are joining in. Okay, so once you're live, let me show you how this works. In the top right, we have this little microphone icon that allows us to mute or unmute. We have the ability to flip the camera with that little circle icon that allows you to go both forward and backward. As you're bringing on new people on their device, they need to be following us and they need to join our live by clicking on the profile icon. And once they're there, they are going to click the plus video icon in the bottom, and it'll allow them to send a request to join the live video. Once they do that, you'll see one at the video icon at the bottom. You can click there to see everybody who has requested to join. We're waiting for the person or the people that you want to bring onto your call, and once you see that, you can go ahead and hit accept. Now you may be wondering, what do you do if the person has not yet initiated the live with you or requested to join the live? So what you can do is you can actually seek them out. So you can press the people plus icon on the bottom and search by their username or their name. Once you see them, even if they're not currently watching live, as long as they're following the account, you'll be able to find them and invite them on. And this is what it'll look like when they join the call with you. You can have up to 3 guests with you at one time, so it'll take up 4 spaces total. And what do you do if you want to remove one of the guests? You go into the top left-hand corner where it says test, but for you it'll say the title of your video. Tap there, and then you'll see the host at the top. Simply tap on the one you want to remove, hit remove and confirm it, and then that person will be dropped from the call. Whenever you're just ready to end the call, what you'll do is you'll go to the top right-hand corner, hit the X, it'll confirm that you want to end the video by hitting end now. Then you'll have the option to view insights, discard the video, or simply share it as a post on your profile.